Joining us now is Ken Ervin, the defense attorney who decided to get tased himself in court. Thanks very much for coming on. Appreciate it. All right, so talk to us about why you decided to do this.
Sure. The jury in this case had seen police footage from my clients attempting to tase Mr. Ambler a total of 4 times. What the jury didn't know was what an effective tasing looks like and how a body reacts to the neuromuscular incapacitation of an effective tasing. So this was a way for the jury to see what it looks like when a taser works on a live person, a control, me, and then compare that footage to what they saw Mr. Ambler do on his tasing attempt.
Had you ever been tased before?
No, I've seen plenty of tasings in my line of work, but no, not tased yet.
And was there any issue with the judge allowing you to do this?
I thought she was going to say no for sure. And I thought the DA's office was for sure going to object, but neither did. And so it was going to happen, and I wasn't going to say no.
Do you think that this was a factor in the jury's decision to acquit your clients?
You know, I hope so. We got to talk to the jury a little bit afterward. It was very late at night when the verdict came, and so there wasn't a lot of discussion. But for the effort that I put into it, I certainly hope that it helped move the needle.
And so after this happens, you just return to your seat next to your clients?
That's exactly right. I was prepared to give a closing argument immediately after. I had to get the barbs taken out of me and then get cleaned up, get some Band-Aids on, and then I immediately went back out to court and participated in the rest of the day.
Were you surprised by the verdict? I assume not.
Not at all. I saw this coming from the very beginning as soon as we got these indictments. These were obviously political in nature. Our elected DA campaigned on this case, saying that he was going to get justice for the Javier family. And this was a time when he had not seen any case evidence, didn't know anything about the case. Well, I did. And I knew that it wasn't going to happen, and this was the exact result I knew was going to happen.
Real quick, did I accurately characterize what Javier Ambler's dad said to your clients?
Yes, I was standing right there. That is what he said. He was a gracious man throughout the entire trial. Actually, you know, expressed some interest in myself and co-counsel Doug O'Connell. And I think that during the trial, he may have learned a lot of things about his son that he didn't know and got a different perspective on what happened. And this was the result at the end, where you saw him say no hard feelings to my client.
Ken Ervin, really showing up and going to bat for his clients by taking a tase. Thanks very much for coming on the program. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.